Hello there. Lads, we've finally reached over 25 subs. I can't thank you all enough. You're all legends, you know that? You legends. Well, anyways, this is not even my actually, but it's a microwave. The nearest I can find. So I'm reviewing this one. And as you can see, it's a nice little LG microwave with two knobs and a button. The first knob is the power. So, or you just want to have it a tad bit hot, or you want unlimited power. Anyways, second knob is how long you want that unlimited power. And the third knob, oh, that's the most exciting. You press it. And then you open the microwave. And the inside, my friends, well, it's the most uninteresting thing I've seen in a long time. But as far as I can tell, it's very microwavy, with some holes on the side. Well, anyways, what better idea we've got than to test it out by cooking this egg. Well then, wish me luck, lads.